In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit YouTube videos with the YouTube editor. So for this, you need to publish a video and then go into the details. So right here, I'm at video details. Next up, you should be able to see editor at this menu sidebar. You want to click on that. Now, once you do that, it's going to send you over to the YouTube editor that you can then use to edit that video after you actually uploaded it, okay? So this is not that advanced, but you can do some pretty neat things if you might want to change the video. So all you can do in here is add audio right there. Okay, so click right there, then click on plus audio, which will send you over to the YouTube library. So this is where you can add music to your videos, and all of this is non-copyrighted, so you can use that for free without getting in any trouble. Now you can also, let's click right there, add elements. So these are just playlists, so this is not really editing your video. Now you can add a blur. You can do that by clicking right there on add blur, which is then going to send you over to a different page where you can blur faces or custom blurring. I like to use custom blurring, so let's say that I want to do that. You then click on edit right there, and you can then select
in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw
frame
money
that you want to blur.
from your
So
PayPal
let's say
account.
that it's
So this
that
video
frame.
is going to show you
then
how you can
select
send
that
money
and you can
that's
then
on
lock
your
it
PayPal account to your
so
normal
that it will
bank
stay
account.
like that.
So
Otherwise,
if you're
it might
interested in
move
that,
around
keep watching
and follow the
and we'll
object.
get started right
You
now.
can then select
so
the
all
time
you need to do is sign
right
into
there
your account
by doing
and
that. Now I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to go back to the YouTube studio. Now next up, you can also trim your videos. You can do that by clicking right there on trim, and you can then trim these videos. Okay, so let's say that you might not want to use the last 5 seconds of that video. Let's say that you made a mistake. You then drag this over here, and all you need to do next is click on preview, and then you can click on save at the top right corner. Now that's it for trimming. I'm pretty sure that you can also cut out a part in the middle. So if I click edit trim, I drag this, let's see if that works, over here. I'm pretty sure that you can also split. So if I click on preview, okay, so this would now be the video, but that's not what I was trying to do. If I just click on discard charges, changes of course, not charges, lol, then right there you can also click on split, and you can then split the video. So let's say that you made a mistake somewhere in the middle of your video. You can also edit that part out. So you can do that by using the split feature. Once again, make sure that it fits, click on preview, and then click on save at the top right corner. And that's how you can edit your YouTube videos with the YouTube editor after you published it. It's pretty cool, and it comes in handy when you made a mistake. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. I'll try and get back to you, and yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.